Guys, we will discuss about the connection between DNA and birth chart. We're gonna deep dive into science and astrology part. So, is our destiny already written at a birth? Science says DNA determines our body structure, personality, and health, while astrology says the birth chart is influence our life events, characteristics. But is there a connection between these two? So, we're gonna deep dive into deep relation between DNA, astrology, and combining scientific and astrological perspective. We will discuss about DNA. So basically, what is DNA and how does it affect our life? Okay, so DNA is a basically DNA is basically the structure, like DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Its presence in every cell of our body and carries a genetic information. DNA is made up for 4 bases like A, T, C, G, which determines our unique traits. It controls our height, intelligence, behavior, and even disease. So any mutation change in DNA can alter our personality and health. Okay. Second question, does DNA control our fate? Okay, let's know. Science suggests that our parents' genes influence our personality, health, and life experiences. So, if a person's parents have heart disease, diabetes, or cancer, they may inherit the risk. Okay, and behavioral traits like anger, patience, and confidence can also be passed through DNA. So research shows that meditation and spiritual practices can influence DNA positively. Okay, so now we gonna know about Kundali. Okay, so what is the birth chart and what is and its link to DNA? Okay, so basically a role of birth chart, and we gonna discuss about the role of birth chart and planets. Okay, so first of all, a birth chart is an astrological map created based on a position of planets, stars at the time of birth. Okay, so it consists of 12 houses, 9 planets, and 27 like nakshatras. So it affects a person's nature, destiny, career, health, and relationship. Now we will discuss about similarity between DNA and birth chart. So just as a DNA is a biological blueprint, the birth chart is a cosmic blueprint of person's life. Third, now we will discuss about, can planetary energies influence DNA? So scientists believe that cosmic radiations and planetary energies can affect DNA and human life. This suggests that planetary forces can affect our genes, influencing our health and behavior. Okay, now we will discuss about astrological perspective. Can a birth chart predict genetic disease? So if a person has a hereditary like genetic disease, there are often signs in their birth chart. This means that by analyzing birth chart, one can predict genetic health risks and take precautions in advance. Okay, so basically if we analyze our birth chart, we're gonna know about everything. Okay, can astrology and spiritual practice alter DNA? So studies suggest that the meditation, mantras, and yoga can positively affect DNA. So like Gayatri mantra enhance mental peace and improve DNA health. Havana like fire rituals purifies environmental and body's energy. Yoga and pranayama strengthens telomeres like DNA caps, which slows our aging process. Okay, now we will discuss about astrological remedies to balance DNA influence. Okay, like some remedies we know about like gemstones can balance planetary energies and affecting health and mind. Second, charity and donation reduces our negative karmic influences. Third, fasting and spiritual practices like detoxifies the body and mind and influencing a DNA at a cellular level. Okay, so this means spiritual and astrology and meditation can change DNA expression over the time period. Okay, now we will discuss about a link between DNA and Kundali. Okay, so DNA, karma and rebirth. So these are spiritual connection. DNA carries ancestral memory just like a birth chart carries a past life karma. Just a DNA affects health and personality. So astrology shows how past karma influences life events. Okay, like good karma can lead to a positive gene expression while negative karma can weaken DNA health. Okay, so these suggest that our actions, thoughts and environment can reshape both our DNA and astrological outcomes. Okay, so finally we will discuss about scientific studies supporting the astrology and DNA connection. Okay, so we will discuss about two studies. Okay, so first studies shows recently like meditation affects DNA structure. So Harvard research found that meditation reduces stress related gene expression. Okay, cosmic and second studies shows about cosmic radiations alter DNA. Scientists found that space radiations can cause DNA mutations and providing that planetary energy can influence our body. Third, we gonna discuss about emotional state impact genes. So study shows that happiness and positive thinking activate beneficial genes similarly to how good planetary positions enhance life. Okay, thus modern science is slowly uncovering links between cosmic forces and biological life. Okay, so finally we will discuss about real life examples of DNA and astrology influence. These are case studies. So first we will discuss about genetic disease. Genetic disease prediction using astrology. So we have one example like a man with a diabetes and heart disease had a birth chart showing a weak moon and Venus links to pancreas and blood sugar. His family history also showed a genetic patterns of diabetes. Second example we have like Kundali and DNA based behavior patterns. So example is a person with a strong Mars in first house was naturally aggressive and energetic and a leader. Traits also found in his father and grandfather. So these suggest a genetic and astrological link. Okay, finally we will discuss about a future of astrology and genetic research. Okay, so in future scientists are now studying how planetary energy and cosmic rays interact with DNA. So personalized astrology can be combined with genetic testing to predict health risks more accurately. Okay, so in future discoveries may confirm that spirituality, astrology and DNA modifications are interconnected. Okay, so finally we are reached at a conclusion part. Finally, the conclusion of the video is DNA and astrology are both blueprints that shapes our life and destiny. Planetary energies affects DNA expression, influencing health, personality and life events. Third, the birth chart can predict hereditary disease and help to take up preventive measures. Fourth, meditation, yoga, spiritual practices can modify DNA and improve a life quality. So final thought is science and astrology are not separate They both are study the same cosmic patterns from this different perspective. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, guys.